Python's journey began in the late 80s. Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, started working on Python as a hobby project during the Christmas week of 1989. He was looking to create a language that was simple and easy to read, but also powerful enough to handle complex tasks. Python was his answer. The name Python doesn't originate from the snake species, but rather a British comedy series that Van Rossum was a fan of, Monty Python's Flying Circus. This fun fact gives a hint about Python's philosophy: to keep things fun and light. Python was officially released to the public in February 1991. The initial version, Python 9.0, was a far cry from the Python we know today, but it laid the foundation for the future of the language. It introduced features such as classes with inheritance, exception handling, functions, and the core data types of list, dict, str, and so on. Fast forward to the year 2000, Python 2.0 was released. It was a major milestone that introduced new features like list comprehensions and a garbage collection system capable of collecting reference cycles. Python 2.0 was more efficient and powerful than its predecessor, and it quickly gained popularity. 8 years later, in December 2008, Python 3.0 was born. This version was not backward compatible. It was designed to rectify fundamental design flaws, even if it meant introducing incompatibilities with earlier versions. Python 3.0 focused heavily on removing duplicate constructs and modules, making it a leaner and more efficient language. Over the years, Python has evolved into a language that's loved by beginners for its simplicity and by professionals for its robustness and flexibility. It has found its place in diverse fields, from web development to data science, from artificial intelligence to system automation. So, to summarize, Python is a powerful, versatile programming language that was developed with a philosophy of simplicity and readability. It started as a Christmas hobby project and has since evolved into one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It has gone through major versions and improvements, with each iteration making it more efficient and user-friendly. Today, Python is used by beginners learning to code and professionals developing complex software systems. Its journey is a testimony to the fact that with simplicity, readability, and flexibility, a programming language can truly be universally loved and widely applied.